How to compress video without losing quality on mobile. Open your Play Store and search your video compressor. Then here you will find a couple of apps, but we need to install this one. You can see the logo and exact name. Once you find the exact app, just click on install. Once the app installs, click on open. Then app will ask for some permission, so you just need to allow all of them. And yeah, you can see all of the videos are now available on the front page. And from here, you can just select your video, but in case if you don't find it, you can just click on select from folder. So the video I want to compress is the second one right here. So I'll just select it now. Click on compress video. Then here you will find a couple of sizes available for this video. And the size which is looking good for me is the 1080p one. So I'll just select it. And now you can see the compressing process is now started. So it will take a while. And yeah, guys, finally you can see my video is successfully compressed, and I can just share this video file anywhere I want by just clicking on the share button. And also you can do the same.